So medyo na-challenge ako kasi non-reader nga. So what I did, nagsimula kami sa A, E, I, O, U, A, Baby, Bobo, and finally, nakagraduate naman yung dalawang bata. So that's a shining moment for me na makapag-graduate ng dalawang non-readers. And aside from that, it's also a shining moment for every teacher to see their former students as their co-teachers now. So we have a lot of students who are already our co-teachers now. So it's such a privilege and honor to have our former students as our co-teachers. And I'm very sure that everybody would agree with me if I say that one of the challenges that teachers meet during our teaching is the behavioral problems not only of the students but also of the parents. Kasi may behavioral problem yung anak, lalo pala yung magulang.
Then another one, my shining moment, yung nakapag-nine thoughts, ridiculous lahat, kasi galing na kasi ako sa mundo. So nagturo ako ng mga katutubo. So masayang magturo ng katutubo. Sila yung mga...
Share the experience of my co-teachers. Nung nag-usap-usap kami kung ano ba yung shining moments mo, wala akong maisip kasi for me, everything is a shining moment. So
Is this for number 4? Number 6? What? More than no.
Hindi kasi kailangan ng ganito. Sinabi mo kayo pag gano'n.
Kids, meron siyang ano.
Hindi lang siya square na ganyan.
Ilan ba dalawa?
Hindi siya bubual. Kasi pag